Wait.
Ito na pala yung 200 na binigay mo.
Okay na?
Okay, wala lang.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel J. Carter. I am from Suba and Bohol. My nationality is half Filipino and half Australian.
English speaking.
My hobby is singing.
Tagalog po.
Konti.
Kayo mother.
Ako po.
So, half Australian, half
Something has changed, baby.
sinalihan naman siya mga contest.
Something is not
Sa school po.
Sa mga
I do it playing by the rules of someone else's game.
Nagkalahi rin.
I'm doing something limits how someone says there's some things I cannot change. Till I try, I'll never know. So long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I am lost. 'Cause if that's love, it comes as much too high to go. So if you can't find me in love to western side, someone told me.
Hindi alam siya Tagalog na kanya.
Opo.
Kakatayin natin ha. Okay na.
Okay lang.
And nobody can know the boss, no wizard that there is or was ever gonna bring me I kind of forgot the lyrics.
That's the correct.
Alam niya. Ano Tagalog?
Okay, fine.
Okay.
At ang hirap papanggap pa ba ako na ako'y ang masaya?
Kahit totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At ang bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba. Wala na akong magagawa. Di ba?
Ang English na kapela, yung kanina.
Defying Gravity a cappella.
Okay.
Chorus part.
The chorus, okay. This, okay.
Or from the middle, second verse to end.
Second verse to end. Second verse to the end.
So, nagis ka pa yung ako naman.
Go!
Go!
Can I just read the chorus?
Oh, just the chorus lang.
Okay, fine. I'm to accepting the limits. How someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change. But till I try, I'll never know. So if you can't find me in love to the western sky, as someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who drown me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I
maliligo siya or